Here we go, guys. Right quick, we're going to take a look at the natural gas futures. On the chart now, we have the daily chart. Each candle is 1 day price action. And as you can see, we have broken up and out of our downtrend line, came back, retested it. And also our blue and green dash lines down here at the bottom, significant price levels on the weekly chart. We'll get into that in a minute. And then also what's interesting, we are now trying to get our first full daily candle up and over the 8 exponential, our gray line here. We wanted to break above it and then a follow through. We have not gotten that yet, even though we've looks like we've closed, one candle here. This one was right on it. But anyway, and then of course the one yesterday, but we haven't had any follow through. Today will be the first time in a very long time, well, since over in February, the end of February, that we possibly could get follow through. Let's go to the weekly chart. Let me take that 8 off to clean it up. And as you can see, we're broken out up and over the downtrend line, the white line. However, this low pivot here, a pivot is when a price comes down and does a 180 back to the upside. And as you can see, we had 3 legs down, and now we're working on a possible, 3 legs to the upside. But the caveat is we really need a close, even better on the weekly, if we can get above that red dash line of this pivot zone back up to the upside. And we carry that the blue line is dash line is for one factor that we're dealing with, and then the green is for another one. And coincidentally, they line up pretty much together there. That's why this area, and that goes back to 2020 actually. And that's why 1, 2, 3, going on 4 weeks, different weeks that we traded in and around and off those two uh, price levels there. Okay, so this is very important. Now, this week, if we can close up and over the red dash line, then we should see, potentially nice follow through to the upside. If we can't, then we might be in this sideways consolidation zone a little bit longer. Okay, so we're still, just for full disclosure, we're still short going back to when was about the middle of March, the UNG for us, the natural gas futures, and we're playing this the same in the same location. Regarding, we want a another, at least another daily candle closing up and over the 8 exponential, and maybe uh, scale some out here on the short side, go a little bit long, and then we will confirm to go more heavily long once we get above the 20. But guys, thanks for watching. Check us out on Twitter, on Patreon, and then we have a 50% off introduction to macro futures link below, and you can learn to do this as well. Thanks for watching.